Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So to those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So today it's really different, and we are going to do something different today. We are going to do a pick a card reading. So I'm doing it after a long time, so I'm excited. And I have taken four numbers over here: 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I don't know whether it's visible or not. It's 4. Okay, so whichever number or color, so I have colors as well, as you can see, blue, red, green and yellow. So whichever number or color resonates with you, it connects with you, you can go with that number or color. So what else? Yeah, the timestamps will be below in the description box, so you can go directly to your particular number or color directly from the timestamps. And let's see now what is there. Let me shuffle the cards first and we will see. Okay, so do not select right now, select after the shuffling. So I'll be taking one more card over here from my Osho Zen Tarot. Okay, so over here, and we will see. So this will be the card for your guidance. All right, so let's see what the guidance, what actually the tarot wants to guide, universe guidance for my viewers. Let's see. Two cards over here. Well, I want only one card. Let's see, it doesn't matter. Okay, third one, two more again, fourth please. Okay, so I want you to take a deep breath now, and it's time to choose the color or number, whatever suits you. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, you can pause the video and you can meditate over it. You can take a deep breath. After that, select one number over here. Okay, okay, so the first batch. Okay, those who have chosen the one number or the blue color. Okay, let's see. Okay, wow. Alright, so you have the Wheel of Fortune over here, Knight of Cups, Judgment, the Hierophant, and Four of Wands. Okay, so the feelings for the person with whom you are actually dealing with, the feelings are really, it's not a feeling of just dating, it's a feeling of a perfect marriage over here. They want to reunite with you, because this might be a past person. This might be a past person. This person wants to come back to your life, and this time this person is consistent. Your person is consistent, dear. Yes, and they actually want to be with you as a happy couple. They want they want a happy married life with you. I'm also seeing that there are some karmic lessons which you have, not you on their part. There are more lessons which they have learned. They have already learned a lot of lessons on their part, and they have the Judgment card. I'm seeing that they have taken this decision, and they have taken this decision with a very good mindset. They are consistent. They know that what they want. So they might be judging before all these things. They might be judging you, or they might be judging this relationship before, but now they are consistent. They have decided that they want to go with you. they actually want to propose you for a marriage. Yes, yes, number one people, this is somebody who is actually very much, consistent, and he or she actually wants to be your life partner. And it's just that they are ready for the proposal because they are ready from the mind. For you, the advice is the cards are past lives and transformation. See, can you just see how these cards are actually coming up in your advice over here for from the universe? Like, see, this is actually not might, this is actually a past life relationship, because with the wheel as well, it is a karmic lesson which you were going through from last some years. Like, this might be a person, a past person only, which is coming back in your life. He or she wants you to come back in their life, and you are taking time, you are taking some, taking time to take a decision. You are thinking that this person has not changed yet, but transformation is there. This is how, why the transformation is here. Transformation is here. They have actually changed now. They want to start things fresh, and they don't want you to let go now. No, they are not letting you go. They are ready for the proposal. See how beautifully this person is standing over here with the bouquet of roses in his hand, and he is ready for the proposal. See the message. The message has already been set up. It's already on the way towards you. So I'm really getting very good vibes, number one people. So this is something which, there has already been a lot of karmic lessons. See, this person might have taken time, a lot of time to take this decision, but I'm really seeing very good, beautiful couple in the future over here. All right, so this is for you, number one batch, and let's move towards the second one. Hi, second group, or those who have chosen the red color. Okay, so let's see what your cards tell us about you. All right, so you have Page of Cups, the Moon, Magician, the Tower, and the World. Okay, so I'm really getting a new, very curious, very enthusiastic energy over here. It's like, their energies are they are very dreamy. They are being very dreamy. They are thinking about you the whole day, whole night, and that is why they are also finding you in their dreams as well. So because they are actually dreaming. So this is a Pisces energy over here, which is, always in dreams, and they might be even dreaming of a happy family, long-term dreams, what people see. That is what this person is actually looking. This is a new love kind of energy, where you both might be even chit-chatting, messaging, and talking to each other. And it's like that, how a new love, this is the feeling of a new love, how one person feels about someone. It's a very this is a very attractive energy. With the Page of Cups, it also tells us about a temporary person, because this is a very immature. So this might be, this person might be younger to you, but this energy is a little immature. So just, that is the advice from the universe, because you have got the politics over here. This is the this card actually tells us about how people, they fake from their face and what they are actually behind. See how this person is smiling and what he is actually from behind. So that is why the politics card is over here. How politicians are, yes, exactly. So this person might be a politician as well, working for the government. So the advice from the universe over here for you is that you just do not go with the action, do not go with the words over here, go with the actions. Okay, because actions speak louder than words, and you will find the truth. Because I'm really seeing very good cards, but the things are very hidden over here. The truth is not yet revealed about the exact feelings, because you have just started to talk. It's a very new relationship. You are in the stepping stones of this relationship, and this person might be hiding, might have not told the exact feelings to you, or might be hiding something else. Okay, so might be a Gemini over here or Pisces. um I'm also getting with the world card and the tower and the world card are also over here. So this is actually telling me that their environment might be in that zone where their family life is very disturbed or their work life is very disturbed, and that is why they always get disturbed. So that is why they have found you as a distraction, and they are really happy when they are with you, but this is basically for a distraction stuff over here. um with the world card, it also means that there's some kind of a completion in something, not this relationship I would say, but it is a completion of something else, because their environment, their home zone, their work zone, whatever, there is some kind of problems which are actually going on, and that is why they might not be able to tell you their exact feelings, because they are feeling something else and they are telling you something else, or the feelings are still hidden. So that is why, because they are trying to manifest you, they are manifesting, they are manifesting those dreams of being with you. They want to be with you, that is for sure. They want it because they actually love to talk to you, they love to spend time with you. If you, with the world card, it also means that you might be distant from each other. It's a long distance relationship, but whatever it is, they love it, and the problems in their life are really very major, and be ready to expect something unexpected, something very big change in your life as well. They might open up their feelings towards you, so be ready for that thing, because they are really, your whole world is going to change after some time whenever they will tell their feelings towards you. All right. This was all for my second group, and I hope you like, I just hope you like it, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye. Hello, number 3 people. So let's start. What is there in your cards? Okay, so you have Ace of Wands, Page of Swords, 8 of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, 5 of Wands, and 6 of Cups. Okay, and advice for you. Okay, I'm going to tell you those later. Okay, so sorry, so their feelings towards you with the Ace of Wands and Page of Swords. See, overall, I'm seeing what I'm seeing over here. It's a new idea of love. Okay, so this is somebody who is like not a very long-term relationship. It can be, but I'm not seeing it in that way, because you were friends before, then you became, you still are in that zone, okay, that friend zone, and it's a relationship where you talk to each other, you share ideas with each other. So you actually, their feelings towards you actually inspire them. They love to talk to you about the new ideas, about the new creative things you both can do together, because you both are learning, and they really love to learn with you. They are actually very much proud of you, and whatever you talk more about the good things, about your studies. You might be even helping each other in some kind of competition, because I'm getting 5 of Wands as well. So you might be in that, you preparing for some government examinations or bank exams over here, any exams. So that is why you both are helping each other, and you both are communicating so much. This might be a reason over here, because love wise, I'm seeing this person is the Knight of Pentacles over here. This person is being might be an earth sign, Virgo, Taurus, or I forget, sorry. So this, or Capricorn, yes. So this person might be a very slow kind of a person, but he or she is very hardworking. This person is very loyal, trustworthy, but it's up to you, because they are in a state where they really love to go slow. They are not very those kind of fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, who just go and rush towards the relationship. No, they are taking time. They are very, very practical, and they think about taking any decision. They think a lot before taking decisions. So that is why you both might be talking at nights as well, whatever this is. Okay, this is a very beautiful bond, but because entering towards a relationship, it's very hard for them, but it's like they are really going slow, and they love to just talk about the study part or other things. Okay, not about love a lot. um you might also even fight a lot with each other, but it's a part of a game, it's a part of life. Okay, so that is why there's nothing very serious in your fights, which I see over here. And with the Six of Cups, I'm seeing that this is a past life relationship as well, because you might be even friends from a long time, or you might be somebody, this person might be your past lover, and they are coming back again in your life just by being friends. So you are being in that friend zoned area over here. So but you know what exactly the advice from the universe is for you? Comparison and schizophrenia. Okay, so I really suck using this word, but you can see the cards over here. Okay, so I have the comparison and the other one. Okay, so this the advice from the universe for you over here is stop comparing. Okay, so there might be many people in front of you who might be more strong, who might be more intelligent, more beautiful than you are. There might be many things. Okay, so just universe wants you to tell you that see how this oak tree and bamboo tree. Okay, so these both are really different. Bamboo is hollow from inside, but not the oak tree. It has a very big trunk, so you cannot compare two different plants, two different trees with each other. So that is why if you are in a comparison mode, because you might be you might have come from a very big breakup, very bad breakup, and now you are actually comparing this person from your past person. But you have to understand that two people cannot be same. They were different, and this person is different, and this person is very loyal and very faithful towards the relationship. They might not take it very fast, but they're actually very that person that a very loyal person you always want. And that is why you are being indecisive in this situation. You are not able to take you are not able to make up your mind whether to go on with this relationship or to stay back, just be friends. The advice over here is that you should not, if you are not sure about it yet, just don't go towards it. Okay, so just take your time, take some more time, whatever you want, how much time you want, take that time, but do not rush towards anything, and stop comparing. All right, so I think that's all for you, third group, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it, and if you really like it, please do a thumbs up below, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye. Hi, fourth group, or those who have chosen the yellow color. So let's see what are the cards for you. Emperor, you have the Emperor, you have Ace of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, Ten of Wands, okay, King of Wands, the Star, and Page of Wands. Okay, a lot many cards for you. Let's see what is there. Okay, so see what I feel over here for you, fourth group. It's like your person actually sees you as somebody who is very independent, somebody who is very successful in his or her life, who is an entrepreneur. Might be you might be an entrepreneur, you might be running your own business over here, you might be always busy, so much confident and a very good decision maker. So they really see you as that. Plus they also see you as somebody who is a very good, who is family oriented person, and they actually want to start some kind of long term relationship with you. They want it. And there might also be, you have started with each other, a very beautiful relation might also has already been started. But see, they are very enthusiastic. They really want that. Okay, they want to start whatever this is. They want it's like they're waiting for you to actually become the one who actually wants whatever you want. It's not them who is the problem over here. I'm seeing it's like it's you who are the problem, because they are already hoping for a very beautiful relationship. It's like they are really waiting for a miracle to happen, and whenever this will happen, they are really hoping that you would come forward and tell the real feelings to them. And with the 10 of wands, I'm also seeing that they really feel that it's you who has a lot of burdens, a lot of responsibilities to take care of in work, in family, a lot of issues which you are already dealing with. And that is why they are really afraid to just tell what they exactly want. And the advice from the universe for you is isolation over here. Okay, so this card actually tells us about your feelings. Over here I'm seeing that you might be even having some kind of a bad past, and you haven't let go of that relationship as of now. And that is why they are not able to try. If they are actually telling you their feelings, because they actually want a very happy family with you. They want to start family with you. They want to get married to you, but it's you who is not ready, and you are not able to let go of the past issues yet. And you are like, okay, I have to take some time, I need some more time. So it's you who's always wanting time. You are not exactly ready to whether understand to fully accept this person as your man or your woman. So that is why the problems are coming up in your life. So the advice from the universe is you really need to let go. Okay, it's okay to cry, it's fine. See how this person is crying over here. I think you can see. So see how this person is crying. The tears are actually dropping. So you can cry, you can heal. Okay, and this person is actually here to heal you. So he or she is healing you. They are standing with you. Whatever you have gone through, they know that, and they want to be with you. Whatever the situation is, they are always ready to be with you. But you have to be ready for the thing as well. And that is why I'm really seeing a very beautiful. See, you might be very happy from outside. You might be very much like, okay, I am an entrepreneur, I can work for myself. So you might be also very much involved in self-love. But there are some past baggages which you need to clear off first before going towards anything. Alright, so that is all from my side, fourth group. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.